packing your QuickTox kit for quick scan, please check to ensure that all of the listed components are present. Your kit should include a product insert, DB5 buffer, QuickTox strips packed in a moisture-resistant canister, EB17 dissolvable pouches, 1 packet per 25-gram sample, pipette tips, reaction tubes, and a kit lot-specific multi-matrix barcode card. The following items are not provided in your kit but are required or recommended for testing. Before testing, turn on the incubator and set to 22 degrees Celsius at least 10 minutes before use. Scan the enclosed kit lot specific multi-matrix barcode card once for each kit lot. Allow your kit to come to room temperature. In this training video, we are demonstrating the corn testing protocol. When testing a 25-gram sample, place 25 grams of ground sample into a suitable hard-walled container, like a disposable 5-ounce sample cup with a lid. Add 1 EB17 pouch to the cup. Add 75 milliliters of deionized, bottled, or distilled water to the container. Immediately seal the container and shake vigorously for 10 seconds by hand to ensure that the powdered extraction buffer can fully dissolve. This is a critical step to ensure accurate results. Continue to shake vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. Clarify the sample in one of the following ways: by filtering the mixture for up to 2 minutes into a new cup through an approved Bunn coffee filter, or by centrifuging for 30 seconds at 2000 times G. Choose the clarification method that most efficiently fits into your workflow. For the purpose of this video, we will clarify the sample by filtering. Using a calibrated pipette or the fixed volume pipette included with your first order, pipette 100 microliters of buffer into a clean reaction tube. Be careful not to contaminate the DB5 buffer. Discard the pipette tip after this step and tightly cap the buffer bottle when not in use. With a fresh pipette tip, pipette 100 microliters of the clarified extract into the reaction tube containing the buffer. If filtering, pull back the edge of the filter to gain access to the filtered extract. Mix the sample extract and buffer thoroughly by stirring or drawing the liquids up and down in the pipette tip. Place the tube with the buffer and sample mixture in the incubator and acclimate for 2 minutes. The acclimation step is only required if room temperature is outside 20 to 24 degrees Celsius or 68 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove 1 test strip from the canister and immediately reseal the canister. Place the test strip in the reaction vial with a colored arrow tape pointing down. Set a timer for 4 minutes and allow the strip to react. At the end of 4 minutes, immediately cut off and discard the arrow tape section of the strip and insert the strip into the quick scan reader for quantification.